bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike.
Another field change.
Can he do it again?
They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. That's poor running between the wickets.
Fielder placed at point. Straight up in the air, and that's a 6. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best.
That is 6. That is just magnificent batting.
Things are really heating up and he's getting at the bowler, letting him know exactly where he's going to put the next one. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Great shot. He has dispatched that and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.